कभी सोचा है वर्ल्ड कप जीतने से पहले टीम को कितनी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ी होगी? कभी सोचा है वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनने से पहले रिंग में कितनी बार मार खानी पड़ी होगी? नहीं सोचा तो अब सोच लो, क्योंकि चैंपियंस ऐसे ही नहीं बनते। इतना आसान होता तो हर कोई कर लेता। मेहनत, डेडिकेशन, डिसिप्लिन हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं। उनके लिए सुबह जल्दी उठना बस एक रूटीन नहीं है। आसानी से हार मानना कभी इन्होंने सीखा ही नहीं। क्योंकि इनके लिए यह बस एक जिम नहीं, ये एक धर्म है।
So here's the thing. Few months back I got a call from a friend to shoot a promo video for a gym. Now previously I have worked on such projects, but either I have just shot the film or I have been as an editor for an agency. I have never got an opportunity to do all the film entirely by myself. So this was a good opportunity, this was a challenging job, and I have read somewhere, or heard it at least, that if you have an opportunity to do a good job, just do it. Don't think about money. It will always come back later. So I said yes. काम पे ध्यान समझे? The best thing about this project was that my friend gave me all the creative freedom that I want. So this was really like a dream project. So I started gathering ideas and writing a script. I know this was a promo about a gym, but I thought let's not talk about it. Let's talk about the dedication, the discipline, and the enthusiasm in the people who go to the gym. Let's talk about that. Because I'm a big fan of Nike ads. If you have seen Nike ads already, you know they never talk about shoes. They talk about athletes. They talk about dedication, discipline.
We are never too far down to come back.
So that's what I was aiming for this project. So I started writing script on that basis. So once the script was ready, I started doing shot division. It's always better to plan your shot before you go and shoot out there. So for this I started looking for references, and most of the films that I watched was from Cooper Films, Nike ads obviously, Under Armour, HRX, Muscle Blaze. I did not just watch these ads, I actually downloaded them, and I had like 10 to 15 different films from different filmmakers, and then I just took bits and pieces from each and every film, basically the shots that I loved the most, and then I put them together into one edit with the music that I had finalized before. So basically I made an entire demo film before even shooting it. Then I started doing location scouting, finalizing the actors, which were my friends obviously. Then we finalized the costumes. Mostly I was looking for dark looks, so I just told all three of them that have something dark. So once this was done, my vision was clear. I had clear idea what I was going to shoot out there. Then it was just matter of taking my camera and all the equipments and going out there and shoot. Shooting process was fun. I had amazing time with my friends who actually helped me to make this project into a reality. For cinematography, most of the shots were taken handheld because I was looking for more of an energy and rusty look, and that's why the lighting was also so harsh and low-key lighting. I played with shadows a lot to create that look. The funniest thing about this project was that as we were shooting on very tight budget, I did not had much people on my production team. It was a 2 days project. On the first day I was shooting with Vinod. So on the first day he was being the model. He was working in front of the camera, doing all the workout and all those stuff. Come on boys, come on, you can do this. And on the second day, he was being the production guy. He was running here and then, helping me with the lights and other equipments and all those stuff. And not just him, each and every person on the set were being very kind and very generous and very helpful for me to make this project happen. And I'm really thankful for that. So the shoot went well, amazing. We had covered each and everything that I wanted. I forgot to hit the record. Now the thing was easy. I was just going to sit on my computer with all the data and do the magic.
Cut.
Now the editing process was fun as the structure was already made during the demo film. So I just had to replace all the shots and do some finishing and final touch, and it was good to go. Next, for voiceover. I wanted that to be done by some professional artist. So I hopped on Fiverr.com, browsed through several artists and finalized one and got the final track on same day. That really added value to the film, and anything that added value to the film, I was down for it. So after all this was done, I gave the final track to my friend Pratik for some final mixing and mastering to the tracks. And by the time he was doing all that, I started doing color grading and color correction to give that final cinematic touch. And once all these things were done, we were done. We were finally ready to release the film. So that's it. That was my experience while making the film, while making the commercial, fitness commercial to be very precise. I hope that it helped you to learn something out of it, because honestly I did. I learned a lot during making the film, during the process, and I want you guys to do the same. If you have any ideas, if you have any scripts ready, just go out there and shoot, because watching tutorials and seminars and all the theory knowledge is it's good to have. But when you go out there and hustle and start solving problem into the field, the real magic happens. So good luck with that, and don't forget to stay healthy, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you're thinking about this different space, there's a good news. I'll save this part for the next episode.